No me están escuchando. Pues dejemos espacio, por favor.
Al mig no, sisplau.
Gracias. Espacio, por favor. Damos espacio.
Coming this evening. This is a very important film for me because it's my 50th film, the 50th film that I made. I always wanted to be a European filmmaker, but I was American, and so I got a chance here to make a film in French, in a completely different language. I don't speak French, but I was able to make the film in French, and I hope you enjoy the film. I did my best to do this, but it was a very, very pleasurable experience for me. I've had great times working in Europe before I made a film in Spain, right in Barcelona. That was a great pleasure for me to make with Cruz and Javier Bardem. And I made a film in San Sebastian, which was great fun for me. And maybe someday, if I'm lucky, I will get an opportunity to come back here and make a film in the Spanish language, which would be a great thing. Nothing to do tomorrow night or the next night. I'm in town with my jazz band and we're playing New Orleans music. Playing for you, actually more fun for me to play than to make movies, but I'll do my best. Anyhow, enjoy the evening, and I'm going now to have my dinner.